Hello, my name is Keshwani. There's Keshwani, Keshwani. We are here because we want to learn to read and write Hindi. We are also here because we want to learn to read and write Urdu. We are doing both at the same time. Today is our lesson number 41. Lesson number 41. Let's begin. Yesterday, and if you have not watched yesterday's videos, it's important that you watch them in proper sequence. Yesterday we learned a word. Since we learned it yesterday, I'm not going to go over it again. I'm just going to refresh your memory very quickly. The word that we learned was karar. 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 Ka with a Q. That's a Q. Ka. Ra. Ra. Karar. Karar means to have chain, sukoon, tranquility, calmness. When you're feeling at ease, when you're tranquil, when you're calm. Karar, chain, sukoon. We learned these words yesterday. That's the word we're going to see here today. Well, let's begin then. So first what we have is jo. Jo as in that or this. Jo. Jo karar बन के आया जो करार बन के आया जो करार बन के आया. So this is so far straightforward. The only vocab word we had to deal with was the karar, which we learned yesterday. जो करार बन के आया उसे let's do the next part on the top because otherwise it'll get mixed up. जो करार बन के आया, who came to me as my tranquility, who came to me as my calmness, my peace, my sukoon, my chain. One who came to me, one who represents my calm, my chain, my sukoon, my tranquility. That's what it says. जो करार बन के आया उसे क्यों ना दे उसे ऊ and then say seen and badi. When we join them, it's going to look like this: seen and then badi. Use. The next word is kyun. So this is K. Kyun. Kaf. Ye. Wow. With the nun gunna. Let's first finish use. It should be two words. जो करार बन के आया उसे, I have it as one word in Hindi. Usse. This is also one word in Urdu. It's not two words. Usse means he or him. Usse kyun I keep losing my thing here. Where am I? Usse so this is key. That's part right here. That's key. And then we need yun. इससे बड़ी U की मात्रा. So this is key. Oh, sorry. Key is छोटी U की मात्रा. Key and then yun. Key and then yun. There. believe that's spelled correctly. उसे क्यों ना उसे क्यों na is spelled with a noon and a hey. We talked about it many times, but in Hindi you will just write it with a ki matra. उसे क्यों ना दे उसे क्यों ना दे दुआएं. Let's write दुआएं. Do. जैसे छोटी यू की मात्रा do on and then a with a nasalized sound, with a nasalized n at the end. Ne. It's not dua a, it's dua a. Nasalized sound here at the end, so we need dua and then a, which will be like this. Now, the problem here is that duaएं is not spelled with an alif. It is spelled with ain. It's spelled with the correct spelling is ain. It's not alif. It is ain plus alif, a. And you write it like this. Now it's correct. दुआएं means blessing. जो करार बन के आया उसे क्यों ना दे दुआएं. The one who came to me as my calmness, my tranquility, my peace, why would not say blessing for him, not her, rather him. Duaएं means blessing. Dua karna means to recite, to wish well, to wish somebody well. Dua. Duaएं is the plural. उसे क्यों ना दे दुआएं जो करार बन के आया उसे क्यों ना दे दुआएं. The one who came to me as my tranquility, my peace, my calmness, why would I not wish him well? Why would I not pray for him? Let's do the next one. किए. की छोटी की मात्रा and then ye. Now ye is tricky. Kiye is a very tricky one. Pay attention here. You see the reason, listen very carefully. This is be and the badi hai, which you will write in Hindi as this. And that makes the be. So choti ye ki matra. Here we need ye. Not be but ye. We have to replace be with the ye itself. Ye. Let's not call it ye. It's a ye. Ye, and a ki matra to make it ye. In Hindi it's very simple. You just write you instead of a ba, you would just write you a ye, and it becomes ye. How do we do it in Urdu? How would we do it in Urdu? I'm looking at my note here as I'm speaking. Kiye. That's right. That's how you would write it. Kiye. Ki, ye. How are we going to do it in Urdu? Well, very simple. We know that whenever choti ye or badi ye appears in the middle of the word, it takes this shape. So we join them together. So first time, this thing acts as ye, and then badi ye acts as ek ki matra. This is the ek ki matra, and this is ye. Even though they are same exact word in Urdu language. They are both ye. One is a choti ye, one is a badi ye. We have done with it many times. That's how we write ye. So what we need is kiye, like this. Not only that, but now we have to put them together. When you put them together, it's going to look like this. Ki, ye. Kiye. Oh, the next word is a vocab word. Next word is a vocab word. It's a tricky one, but we have no choice. We have no choice but to learn it. There is one more vocab word after that one. Let's learn the word, shall we? A, R, and then we have a Z, but we don't need a Z, we need a zoo. Not only we need a zoo, but we need a badi uki matra. We know how to make badi uki matra. We put a vav and ulta pesh. So it goes like this, arzu. Do you know what arzu means? Arzu means desire, wish, or desire. Kiye arzu, and then we have ne, noon and a badi hai, ne. You're going to write it like this. Ne, kiye arzu ne, and the next word is also a vocab word. Seen, sir, then a jeem, and then a dal, and eki matra. What does it read? It reads sajde. Before we do sajde, let's do singular. Let's do singular first. Let's not worry about plural right now. Let's do singular. Singular would be, of course, sajda. Singular, sajda. One. We'll talk about what that in a second. But as always, well, not as I shouldn't say as always, but a lot of the times, even though it takes aki matra in Hindi, in Urdu when we're writing it, it's going to end with he. It's going to end with, where is the he? We have 4 he's. I don't know where the hell the bloody he went. We had 4 of them. I always point to them. They're somewhere here, right here, right there, second one. That he right there is there. That's how it's going to end. Let's put them together. So sa is going to take a small form like this. Then ja is going to take this form. Then a dal and a he. When you put them together, it's going to be sa, ja, dal, and a he. That reads sajda. That's a child's handwriting. Let me rewrite it with the handwriting of a grown person. Because at least that's what I think of myself on a good day. Sajda. Do you know what sajda is? Let me write the word in English language. It's a very, well, not tricky, but here we go. P-R-O-S, prostration. Sajda is called prostration. Prostration is something you will encounter in a lot of religion. It occurs in Christianity in the churches, it occurs in Hindu temples, and occurs of course in the Muslim mosque. Is when you bow your head down as a respect to the deity when you are praying. The bowing is called prostration. That's a sajda. Sajda. The plural of sajda would be sajde, which is very simple to fix in Hindi. You just take out aki matra and stick an eki matra. Here you take out he and put a badi, sajde. Kiye arzu ne sajde. That's what it says. My wishes bowed. My wishes, my desire, they were in prostration. Kiye arzu ne sajde. The next phrase we're going to write, it's in the same category. When the time comes when I write it, I'll explain to you what the category is. But I don't know what that actually means. Kiye arzu ne sajde. My wishes, my desires were prostrating. I don't know how to translate that. That's the literal translation, but I don't know what that means metaphorically. Let's do the next part. That's the best I can do. It's a very tricky one to explain. And by that I don't mean it's a very tricky one to explain in English. What I mean is it's a very tricky one to explain, period. I don't know how to go about translating it. Meri arzu ne, kiye arzu ne sajde. The next one is equally tricky. I don't know how to translate. We can write it, but I don't know how to translate properly in English. Dil That is easy. Dil, my heart. Dil ne nazar. No, z, ro. No, z, ro. Nazar. We have written it before. Dil ne nazar. Dil ne nazar utari. U ta ri. Dil ne nazar utari. I don't know what that means. I don't know what she's trying to say. Oh, I don't mean to say she. I don't know what the poet is trying to say. I can translate it literally, but that's about all I can do. Let's read the whole thing, the 2 lines that we learned together today. जो बेकरार बन के आया उसे क्यों ना जो बेकरार sorry not बेकरार rather जो करार बन के आया उसे क्यों ना दे दुआएं. The one who came to me as my tranquility, as my calm, as my peace, why wouldn't I wish him well? Why wouldn't I pray for him? कि आरज़ू ने सजदे, my wishes, my desire prostrate, दिल ने नज़र उतारी. That I don't know how to translate. That's the end for today. Alright? Bye now.